Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manny Kenny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. Really part of this family though. I appreciate as usual. If you are new, please make sure to click that subscribe button and join the fam for beauty tips, makeup tips, hair tips, lifestyle vlogging, all that fun stuff. Join me, okay? Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys some new products that I get. Let's unbox them together. And yeah, stay tuned and let's jump right into this video.
It's Manny Kenny.
So in my previous skincare routine, I showed you guys all the products that I have been using for the past 4 to 5 months, which has definitely made a great impact and difference on my skin. My skin is more glowing, dark spots have really significantly reduced, but I'm that girl that I would always want to try new products, and there has been this hype for at least a year or two about Korean skincare, but I was just like, let's see, I'll try maybe. But now that my skin has glowed up, I'm like, oh, maybe I should try this product just to get that extra glow, that glass skin and all those things. So I got some products. Currently my current products are almost empty, and you can see obviously these are the same products I showed you guys in my previous video from The Ordinary, but they are almost, like, this is almost finished. My niacinamide 2 is almost finished, and this is my hyaluronic acid. So I was like, you know what is the best time to switch, routine? So since this is finishing, I ordered the Korean skincare. So bear with me, my son is right here like my shadow, doing everything possible, okay? Like taking off my makeup from where I store them, putting them on the floor, everything goes to the floor, and yeah. So bear with me. I hope I can hear. I know I can hear me, so let's focus. Anyway, so like I was saying, I want to try new products, so I decided to try Korean skincare, and I have been seeing like a lot of reviews or TikTok videos, and also I went and checked for more reviews, especially for girls that look like me who have used it and what they think about it. I read about the products, I read about the benefits of the ingredients. So I was like, okay, these ones, I know that there's a hype around them, but they seem to be working. So I ordered some of that and they just came. I have just opened the box and I am going to show you guys what I got. So first, let's get the samples out of the way. So I got about 3 samples. The first one is from a brand called Centella. They use ingredients from Madagascar. I'm like, okay, so is it Korean skincare or is it Madagascan skincare? I don't know. But anyways, it's just the samples, a bak choy eye cream and a moisturizing serum that has hyaluronic acid. Then I got these samples from this brand called Pyeongkan Yul. And yeah, it has a calming cream, moisturizing cream, calming serum, and calming deep moisture toner. So with samples, I really wish sometimes that they have like a bigger size that I can use for like at least a week, so that I can tell, okay, does my skin like these ingredients or not? Because when it's just like really small, I can use it highest a day, and after a day I cannot tell if my skin likes it or if there was any effect, if it was effective. Anyways, this is the last sample I got, which is Real Mango Essence Sheet Mask, and I don't know if the brand is Farm Stay or what, but it says made in Korea, so it's a Korean brand. I'm excited to actually try this sheet mask out of mango. Anyway, so those are the little gifty that I got. But now let me show you guys what I actually got. So I got a new sunscreen. I have been using the Black Girl sunscreen, which is a physical sunscreen, which has been doing marvelous work for me. I just wanted to try something else. It's like a chemical sunscreen according to my research. So I wanted to try this one because it did have better reviews according to the videos I watched and the articles I read. But yeah, according to my personal research, this is supposed to be good with no white cast and give you that PA+++++++++. This is from the brand Isn't. So I'm excited to try this. And then I went crazy on serums because your girl is a serum girl. I fell in love with serums after taking my skincare serious. I got the Glow Dip Serum and the Glow Serum. So Glow Serum has propolis and niacinamide. Glow Dip Serum has rice and alpha-arbutin. So according to every research I did, this is supposed to be really good for the skin, for large pores. My pores have definitely gotten better, but I just want that glass skin, okay? Anyway, so I'm going to be replacing my niacinamide, which I'm currently using, which is almost empty, with this Glow Serum that has niacinamide and propolis. And then this Glow Dip Serum, the rice and alpha-arbutin, I've never had to use that. I've never used that, so I'm excited to see what this would, do to my face. Okay, so this is the Glow Serum, and they are both 30 milliliters. The bottles are cute and minuscule, but this gives me that impression like, are you really 30 milliliters? But I guess they are. So yeah, they have all these descriptions in Korean, which I do not understand, but this is what the Glow Serum looks like. I feel like I'm going to be like using like 3 mini drops just because. And then this is the Glow Dip Serum. So yeah, I'm going to be using this probably starting this week or even today because I'm excited. I love new stuff. Anyway, so I'm going to start using this pretty soon, and let's see if my skin will change, which I'll definitely show you guys on this channel. Then the last thing I got, which is going to be a new step in my routine. Actually, I have never had an essence in my routine, and this is a ginger essence water from Beauty of Joseon. These two are also from Beauty of Joseon. So I am going to show you guys what this looks like. So it's supposed to be not ginger. Did I say ginger? Ginseng essence water. So this is what this looks like, and it does feel different, but I'm just excited. This is 150 milliliters Beauty of Joseon, made in Korean, and the rest is in Korean, which I cannot read. Yeah, it says ginseng root water 80%, niacinamide 2%. Okay, so this also has niacinamide. Cool. I love niacinamide. Anyway, so this is what it looks like, and I would like to smell it. So let's get in there. This smells so much like ginseng. Like, I know the smell of ginseng because as a kid, whenever I had to travel between towns and take the bus, there's always some man who is like some kind of doctor. He will come on the bus and advertise his products and want us to buy, and he'll be like, yes, this is ginseng, usually like ginseng tea or ginseng powder. This is ginseng, and this will cure all your stomach problems, your eye problems, your leg problems, your head problem. Everything you want to cure, ginseng can cure. That's pretty much what he was saying. And because of that, they usually will pass like samples all over the bus for you to smell, to look at it, to touch it. And I can still remember that smell because it's very, very unique. But this definitely smells like the ginseng I know from the bus. And then let's open this and smell this Glow Dip Serum. It's actually odorless, so it doesn't have any perfume. So I'm guessing this other one also doesn't have any perfume. Yeah, doesn't smell like anything. So, which is usually better if it doesn't have any perfume, because I know that scent is sometimes not good for really sensitive skin, and my skin is sensitive, so yeah. And then some months ago in Target, actually, I was just passing by doing some shopping, and I saw this snail mucin from the brand Corex or Cosrex. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Cosrx, and is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, 30 milliliters. So I got this. At that time, I had not done my research, to be honest. I just bought it because I saw a lot of the skincare girlies using it, and I was like, you know what, let me try it to have my hydration and everything. I have used it now, and it's almost, but every time I use this, the next morning my skin feels like the smoothest thing ever. It feels like a baby's bum. So I still have some, but as this goes empty, I'm going to buy the bigger size because I bought this just to try it and I like it. So, and this is also Korean skincare. So this is recipe for healthy glass skin, which I'm hoping to achieve in a few months of using these products. So yeah, so these are the new products that are going to tell me hello, welcome to glass skin. Hopefully, okay, because these products surprisingly are cheaper in the US than in Europe, because I looked at them on the US websites and they were cheaper than the website I was able to get it from here. So yeah, but let us see what the magic is, what the hype is about. If these things don't work, I will let you guys know. If they work, I will let you guys know. Well, thank you guys so much for watching to this point, for unboxing with me. I'm excited for sharing my excitement. I will see you guys in my next video, which I will link, up here on the screen somewhere. Click on that. Binge watch. I'm talking too fast. Binge watch. You are welcome. And before I go, I want to ask you guys to please subscribe. Hit that red button and the little bell beside it so you do not miss any new videos. I see a lot of you guys watching me, coming back to watch me, but not subscribing. Like, why? Just click on that red button because you know you're going to be coming back. Anyways, my next video is here. Have a nice day. I will see you guys in the next video. My boy is calling me. Bye.